it's time for another great warm-up for figure skaters. This Forward Inside Mohawk exercise can help us to gain greater control of our rotation into our mohawks and checking on our exit, with the added bonus of the stabilizing moment required for a flawless step between backwards and forwards at the end of each sequence. This really draws our attention to the control our skating side must exert over our free side. Layering up our learning, we'll start with the steps, then your pattern, and finally a couple of control points. We have 2 steps on alternating sides, a forward inside open mohawk, and a step forward onto inside edge, forward inside, backward inside, forward inside. Incoming mohawk foot placement for ice dancers would usually be heel to instep for our tidiest technique. And I like to encourage a neat collection of our feet on our backward inside edge prior to our step forwards onto forward inside, drawing the heels nice and close together. And now for our pattern, which will be a classic serpentine of alternating curves down a long axis. Our total number of weight transfers gives us a clue: 1, 2, and 3. Our first forward inside takes 1/3 of our semicircle. The backward inside of our mohawk will cover the second 1/3, and our final step to forward inside will cover the last 1/3. Now let's go a little deeper into some recommended control points. We skate onto our forward inside and must begin to rotate into our circle. So when we get to exchanging feet, we feel our belly button is pointing directly at the center of our circle. Scissoring close the free leg and placing the free foot into a floating T is a great way to prevent butt-out posture. As we plant our new foot to the ice, our arms hold alignment with our shoulders as a natural extension of the shoulder line. After the mohawk, our entire free side must be leading the way, the free leg directed back over our circle. And as we prepare to make our final step, heels close and we think of the diamond shape between our open knees, using the skate side to continue to brace the entire free side back, with a sense of equal length through both sides of our torso, and trying to keep each zone as level as possible. Varied and challenging warm-ups can really improve our overall strength and coordination of our steps and turns. Be sure to get as much variety into your training as you possibly can.